everyone, welcome to my channel Foodie Yarn. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this lemon bookmark. I use 3mm crochet hook. Pull the yarn around your fingers like this. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called the magic ring. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called single crochet. We should make 4 single crochet into magic ring. Just pull the yarn and close our magic ring. Chain 1, turn your work. We should make in each stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Follow this pattern for this row. Next stitch, 2 single crochet into the same stitch, like this. 1 and 2. And chain 1, turn your work. Make 2 single crochet into this stitch. And next stitch, 1 single crochet. Follow this pattern. Last single crochet like this. Insert your white yarn and chain 1 and cut it, and turn your work and make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. And next to a stitch, just 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet, and next stitch again 1 single crochet. Follow this pattern for this row. Last stitch, insert your yellow yarn and again chain 1. Turn your work and make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. And next 3 stitch, just 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet, next stitch. Next stitch, 1 single crochet. Like this, and again next stitch 1 single crochet. Follow this pattern for this row. And after this row we fasten off our tail of yarn like this. Don't forget to like this video. I make 40 chains like this. You can make as much as you want. And after 40 chains, just chain 8 like this. Skip 1 chain and start from next chain and make a single crochet. Next, half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Next stitch, a double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again next stitch, 1 double crochet. Next stitch, a half double crochet, and next stitch a single crochet, and next stitch a slip stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, and again chain 8 and follow the same pattern. And in the end we slip stitch into this stitch like this. I make another slip stitch into the next stitch, and just tie the yarn and cut it with your scissor and just tie it. And again fasten off like this. After this, grab your white tail and grab your needle and just sew your white yarn like this. It's so easy. Don't forget to like this video, and for more tutorials please subscribe and hit the bell. If you have any question, ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.